Today's tip is about packing healthy, hearty foods for your hike.
Tips and tricks and etiquette. Tips and tricks and etiquette.
Hi, I'm Michael Wright. I'm an exploring, adventuring, hiking, video making guy. And I'm here to give you tips, tricks, and etiquette on how to make your hiking experience that much better. Some healthy, lightweight snacks to bring on your hike are nuts or trail mix. I like to keep my nuts in a bag. Another healthy snack, lightweight, for any size of hike really, is beef jerky. Or any dead animal jerky will do. And if you're going on a longer hike, I like to pack a nice healthy sandwich, a good old-fashioned PB&J. You spread the peanut butter on either slab of the bread, you put the jam right in the middle, bam, your bread doesn't get soggy. Another nice healthy snack full of protein, hard-boiled eggs. Another staple for me is fresh cut up vegetables or fresh fruit. Now, if you want to keep your fruit safe, you can go to the grocery store and get those sleeves that you see on Asian pears or pink apples. You save those for your hikes. You put your fruit in it to keep them from bruising. Because when you're out on a hike and you get attacked by a bear, there's nothing worse than going to have that piece of fruit and it's bruised. Nothing will ruin your hike quicker than that. Cliff bars or Kind bars or any other energy bar are a nice healthy option to bring out as well. Some people like to bring out dehydrated fruit, but I personally don't because there's too much sugar. It's pretty much beer sugar. The most important tip I can give you is bring plenty of water. Stay hydrated on that trail. So these are a few tips and tricks on how to not starve to death while you're out on that hiking trail. So if you want more tips, tricks, and trail etiquette, be sure to push that little subscribe-y button. Don't forget to hit the me likey button. And until next time, stay safe, have fun, and don't be a douche.
Tips and tricks and etiquette. Tips and tricks and etiquette.
Nom 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 nom, subscribe.